I'm Dr. Neeraj Kumar. I am a skin specialist at Malviya Nagar in Magical Morphers Global Skin and Hair Services. So this center is operating for the past few years, having a theme of the best quality care in dermatology and trichology. So here we have several facilities available for regarding skin and hair treatments. In the dermatology section, we especially focus on acne treatment. In acne treatment, we do antibiotic free treatment, and patient need not take any antibiotic or harmful medicines, so that there is no antibiotic resistance and patient compliance is better. Along with that, we do acne scar treatment with several modalities. So in the acne treatment, what we do, we have a few options which are very safe, which take care of acne, pigmentation and scar simultaneously without any side effect, and there is no antibiotic or isotretinoin needed. So this is our special feature. Along with that, we are doing treatment for melasma. That is very special for our center. In melasma treatment, what we do, because the patients apply hydroquinone or depigmenting creams for few months, and then they have few side effects which is irreversible and can permanently damage the skin. So in this regard, what we do, we don't give any such creams, and without those creams we take few sessions and take the treatment. So in that treatment, after few sessions, the treatment is over and patient has a flawless skin. So melasma is treatable here. Other treatments what we do regarding skin rejuvenation, hair treatment, hair transplant, chemical exfoliation, laser hair removal, tattoo removal. In the tattoo removal, we have a different technique which is called as R20 technique. In that technique, the client needs to take just 1 or 2 sessions and the tattoo gets removed. That technology is called as R20 technique. That is a special feature of Magical Morphers. Along with that, we do botulinum toxin treatments for wrinkles, fillers for nasolabial folds. Along with that, we do body contouring by ultrasonographic cavitation, cryolipolysis, and we also have vaser liposuction facility for fat reduction. Microdermabrasion is always there. So there are several facilities here. You can come here for periorbital pigmentation. There is a puffiness around the eyes. For that we do the treatment. Along with the fillers, we have several treatment options which is very nice, and it is removable completely. Along with that, we do a scar treatment. The scar treatment, the main features in the Magical Morphers that you don't have any side effects, like clients goes to several centers and their face gets burned, and so this is totally avoidable at our center. We have the technologies which can't burn the face, which can't have any side effect, and your face is flawless after the treatment. New treatments available are fat transfer technologies for your whole face augmentation, your cheek augmentation. We do mesobotox treatment for whole face. We do the redefining of the angle of the jaw. So this treatment, double chin treatment is done. Double chin treatment is done here by radio frequency machine, also called as thermas. So radio frequency machine is there. Along with that, eye threads are available. These threads are made of polydaxonone chemical, and these are absorbable sutures, and it's very safe to get that treatment. So after the thread lifting technique, your face gets better contouring. So threads we are using not only for face, for breast, for abdomen, and for other body areas without any side effect. Other treatment we are doing which are very special to this clinic is cog threads. In the cog threads, you will need to just take one session, and in that one session you will have a very good facial contouring. So that is called as cog thread. Platelet-rich plasma treatment is done for hair. Along with that, facial rejuvenation. So platelet rich plasma, the special feature here is we do double spin technique. Along with that, in the recent advances, according to the recent advances, we apply so many topical things over your scalp, so that the dermatoscopy or trichoscopy findings suggest that your hair diameter increases just after few weeks. So that is the main special feature here. So we analyze here by trichoscope, and we will show you that how your hair density is increasing, hair diameter is increasing by trichoscope. Hair transplantation, in the hair transplant section, we do follicular unit extraction technique, and that is a direct implantation of the grafts or follicles, and it takes few hours. Our OT is having very good standard, hygienic standards, and hospitality is very good here. So the treatment done for hair transplantation is by follicular unit extraction method. Along with that, biocell, we do platelet rich plasma along with that. So here the graft survival rate is very high, because we take every precautions to make the graft survival high. For that we take cold saline and chilled saline. Along with that, we do a stereo microscopic dissection of the hair, which is very unique here. So these are the facilities available at our center. For hair transplantation, we are getting regular clients with very high result, very good results. So and it takes just a few hours of the treatment. And Magical Morphers is opening new centers in Vasant Kunj and Gurgaon also, and we are spreading day by day. Thank you.